Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to make 3D text in Photopea. Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can go to this website to use Photopea for free. Now I start using Photopea, and then I have a background image. I go to my file folder and drag and drop the image into Photopea to open the image. I will use this background image. Next, we can go to Type 2, click and hold. We can choose Type 2 here. And then click on Artboard, and we can type, for example, 3D. This is quite small, so I press Ctrl A to select all, and then we can adjust the size. And I change it to 450 pixels. This is quite small. Again, I press Ctrl Alt T to show the transform tool and scale it something like this. So if we want to change the font type, we can select the type tool again and change it to another font, or we can change it to another style. I will use bold, and also we can change the color. I change it to white. Next, we can go to layers and double click to open the layer style. And we can find 3D here. I want to show it clearly. I use spacebar to move the text over here. And then we can check the box 3D to activate it. So we can find the thickness here, and then we can select 3D and show the 3D option. Now we can change the color. For example, I change to gray, nice gray, and press OK. And then we can change the distance, the thickness of 3D, and we can shrink it. This is the perspective, and then we can change the angle. And also we can change the lighting. And also we can change the darkness for the depth. So if we are happy with this, we can press OK to apply this setting. So this is how we can make 3D text in Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.